Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Ayokomi Emmanuel. So on this tutorial, I want to teach us how to design a simple and professional birthday flyer using Photoshop. So without further ado, if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button so that you will be notified once I drop a new video. Thank you, God bless you. So without further ado, let us dive in properly to the business of the day. So this is my Photoshop interface. The size we are using for this design is 10 by 12 inches. The resolution is 300 and the color mode is RGB. Then click on create. Alright, so these are interface now. So the first thing that we need to do now is to import our first background by clicking on Ctrl I. Sorry, by coming to file here and click on place. Then place our first background. We need to place our first background. It's our first background. So the next thing now is to we want to manipulate our background. So we want our background to be ready before we start. So the next thing now is to import the second background that we are using. So we are using this background. Alright, so click on layer mask, then click on gradient. Oh yeah, okay, come here, then change it to, you can change it to soft light. Let's change it to add light, then choose the opacity. I think that one is good to go. So we first place another background, the second background that we are using. This background, then come to layer mask, click on layer mask, come to your gradient tool, click on gradient tool. So come here, change it to, let's use overlay. Alright, so the next thing now is to place our background, the next background, which is this one. Click on your layer mask, come to gradient, then change to soft light. Alright, so the next thing now is the last background. That's the last background. Click on layer mask, add layer mask, come to gradient, change to soft light. Alright, so that is for the background. You can click on the background, then group the background, name it background. So the next thing now is to import our image. Please, this is the image we are using. is the image we are using. You design this birthday flyer. Click on gradient layer, gradient. Alright, so that's for the picture. Then you need to write if you click on that, change the color to something like this. Change the size. Alright, so the next thing now is to write active name. Change the font to output graphic. Expand it. Alright, so right click, then come to blend mode, then click on stroke, increase the size of the stroke, change the stroke to white, that's okay. So come to shadow, English value to 20. Alright, so bring this background, this red background, then place it inside that birthday. Click it inside that birthday. Then the text. In the blending mode, soft light appear. happy birthday. So now the next thing now is to write the name. Alright, so we are still typing the name now. So we are on the name, Prophet Udo Ayobami, King Time Roman, so the next thing now is to duplicate by pressing on Ctrl J. Type Ayobami. Prophet Udo Ayobami. So press OK. Birthday, happy birthday, happy. The happy is not visible. That is happy birthday. So the next thing now is to add the date. Click on to edit, then bring this badge, you can down this badge again, is it here, then type the date. It is October 25th. Change the font to October. So the next thing now is to duplicate this and type the So the next thing now is to import our light ray. Light ray, click on file, embedded, place embedded. Then this light ray, you can copy it for me. Click on screen. Screen. Then lastly, include this background. Alright, so our flyer is ready, so you can save your flyer by click on export as save as web. So we want to check our design. So this is our design. Simple and professional birthday flyer. So thank you for watching. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe so that you will be notified once I drop a new video. Thank you. See you next time. God bless you.